Alright, Tanya, today we're going to learn how to do subtraction using a number line. Except for this time, we're going to try to use the first two questions. We're going to not use the number line to see if it's easier with the number line, okay? Alright, so first we're going to walk through each question, okay? So let's say them out loud. 15 minus 3, 20 minus 7, 7 minus 4, 19 minus 13, 10 minus 9, 11 minus 3, 13 minus 8, 14 minus 8, 16 minus 3, 10 minus 1, 7 minus 2, 16 minus 16. Okay, good. So first two questions we're going to do it without the number line, okay? And then when we get started with the number line, it's on the iPad, okay? So we're going to use the number line on the iPad every time, alright? Alright, so what's this one? 15 minus 3. So how do we do this? We got to take these numbers separately, right? So what's 5 minus 3? 2. Okay, so put a 2.
Well,
right there. Just put the 2 right there. Underneath the 3. Perfect. Okay, so now what's 1 minus 0?
it's 1.
1. So put a 1 in front of the 2. Perfect. Awesome. Alright, so now, what's 20 minus 7? What's 0 minus 7?
7.
No. Okay, we have 0. We can't minus 0, or we can't take, if you have 0 apples, okay, and then I take 7 of them. How many do you have?
0.
You still have 0, right? Okay, so what we got to do is we got to borrow from the 20, or from the 2, sorry, from the 2. So we cross out the 2, and we make it a 1. Okay, so now we put a little 1 in front of the 10. Put a little 1 in front of the 10. Okay, so now we're borrowing 10 from this 2, okay? We're going to put it over here. So now what's 10 minus 7? We're going to take away 2 and 5.
3.
3, so we got to put a 3 below the 7. Okay, now we got to pretend like there's a 0 underneath the new 1 that we just made. Okay, so now what's 1 minus 0?
1.
1, so we got to put a 1 over there. So now what's 20 minus 7?
13.
13. Okay, so now we're going to use the iPad and we're going to use the number line, okay? And remember, when you're subtracting the number line, on the number line, you always go this direction with the negative, okay? So with a minus, you go that direction, alright? So let's start with the bigger number, which is all in subtraction. For you, it's always going to be the top number is always going to be the bigger number, okay? So we got to start with this one. So what's that top number?
7.
What, 7? So put your pencil on 7. Is that 7?
Oh, no.
Okay. 7. Now we got to hop 4 that direction. Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 4.
Count it loud. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. So do one more. 4, except it's alright, let's try it one more time. This is a little bit more difficult to use, okay?
Uh-oh.
It's alright. Alright, so we gotta put our pencil on 7. Here, I'm gonna try something. We're gonna turn it sideways. No worries, we're gonna turn it sideways and we're gonna make that bigger for you. Does that help?
Yeah.
Okay, so now put our pencil on 7 and now we're gonna move. It's okay, don't worry about that. And just move it. See if it'll go away. So now do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what number do we get?
3.
3. Here's your pen.
I say pain in the butt.
I know it. It's just not working for us, is it?
Uh-uh.
All right. So now we're gonna start at 19. Okay. And I'm gonna. Oops. Put that down. Oh. Okay. So now we're gonna put our pen on 19. Okay. Now we're gonna move that way 3. So don't. There you go. Now put it down softly and keep going. 13. You got it. It's okay. Don't worry about that, Mark. 13. Count them out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. So what number did you get?
6.
6. Perfect. So 19 minus 13 is
6.
6. Awesome. All right. So now with this one, which number? What is this one?
10.
10. So we got to start at 10, and we're gonna go back 9 spots. So go ahead.
That?
Nope. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Subtraction is that direction. Hold on. When you put your pencil down, make sure you're ready to go when you put your pencil down. Okay? All right. Go ahead. Start on 10. There you go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
You're good.
8, 9.
9. All right. So what's 10 minus 9?
Is 1.
1. Perfect. All right. So now put our pencil on 11.
18 hours in, Whitfield gets a lead from the victim's sister.
Good.
Mayo
Okay.
tracked down Teresa.
2, 3,
3. So now what number do we get? Perfect. Awesome. Now we're gonna move this up,
Whitfield tries the manager of the apartment
and there you go.
complex.
So now we put our pencil on 13.
The manager says Teresa recently
Oh.
moved out.
It's okay. It's all right. Put your pencil
But
on
Teresa's
13.
friend, Nicole, still lives in the complex and may know where
It's
she
gonna be our last one, okay? Put your pencil on 13. Here, do it on down here. Do it on this one.
Okay.
13 and go
13.
and 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So what's 13 minus 8?
5.
5. Perfect.
Nicole says
All
Teresa
right,
left for
now
Kansas
let's
Wednesday night.
be
The day
done.
after,